So, first of all, now before we start our journey on Lemlist, let us understand what Lemlist is for because some of you don't know the difference between the two of them. So let's see what Lemlist is used for. Okay, so you see now they say what is Lemlist used for? Come here, say what? Say Lemlist is a what? Say it's a sales engagement platform that helps you what automate outreach across email, LinkedIn, and calls without what compromising the human touch. I know say some of now when I don't see this compromising, it's not the confusion now. Hey. So, in a nutshell, okay, Lemlist is a word, it's a prospecting word too. Prospecting means what? To find people that can what? That can be interested in your what? In your services or products or goods. That also is a kind of what? Name for lead generation. Okay. Now, when you find the leads now, you cannot use it to what now? To automate the outreach to their email address, to their LinkedIn or what? Calls. Because you can only use Lemlist to call them directly. Okay. But then the reason why we are not going to be doing that calling part is because we need what? We need software that are paid. As some of you now, if I see someone pay like 2 5 now, I'll say, the guy is billing us, but so maybe like maybe on your own now, try to install them on your own tools and do what? Use them to what? Learn how to what? Do code calling because it will help you when you start looking for jobs. Okay. Ehen. So now let us go and do what? Lemlist now. So we are now going to explore one of the tools for what? For this lead generation called what? Lemlist now. So this is Lemlist. Lemlist.what.com. I will still share the link on the what browser or on the meeting link. So this is what Lemlist website now. This is it here. I'll copy the link. I'm sharing it here for you guys to what to do here. So you can see the list now, Abi. Kelechi Joma and Patrick Afia, please drop your hand. I beg you. Now, maybe the participants in the ask question. Drop your hands. Okay. So here now, these are what these are our Lemlist now. And my next job is to sign in. Right? You can sign in using here or using here. Okay. So I'll click here now to sign in. Click on sign up for free. And here now, you can start working from here. And you can see now. You see it now? It is saying sign up with Google or what? Microsoft account. And I'll do what? Use this one as a sharp guy, Abi. Click it and what? Select your Google account, which is this one. And the next is to what? Is to double tap it again and then you're going to click on continue. Okay. And you see now we are here. So they said, what is your company's size? I would say 11 to 50 people. You say invite a co-worker to your team if you like and invite them. For me, I don't want to invite anybody. But then for this one, actually, I can do what? I can actually invite with what? With link. But I know if I invite person now, they'll call it do something for my list. I don't want to go about this. So I'll do what? Click on what? Skip this step. Then it says what? It says, what kind of work do you do? I will say I'm a what? I will say I'm a founder. Right? Click on this now. Then what is your role? I will say what? Director or vice president in it. Click on this now. Say how many sales reps are working with you in the company? 4 to 10 is okay. Now, what would you like to do with what? With Lemlist? I will say what? Click on this. You can even click everything here because you have the rights to what? To use them, right? I will do what? Click on continue. How did you hear about us? Say from the shrine. From the shrine. Right? I'll do what now? Click on continue. They ask me nonsense question. I heard about it from the shrine. Who told me about you? You can see that we are now here. Was it how to sign up for the account? No. Lemlist is what? Straightforward when it comes to signing up now. They're not like Apollo that will require you to sign up to connect your mail account first of all. So here now, we can now do what? Start our what? Our extravaganza. Alright? So the first things first is to what? Understand how the environment on Lemlist actually works. In it, yes, it is. So this is our Lemlist account now, and this is our dashboard here. This is our workspace. And you can see that we have campaign here. You can see that here now we have dashboard, we have our campaign again, we have inbox and what? We have tasks, we have calls, we have reports, templates, database and what? Contacts, companies and the rest of them. So these are all what's important in our what? Understanding of this tool. Okay? So let us now try and understand what they mean here. So this thing that we have here as a create campaign here is something that we had on our on our Polo as what? As sequence. Okay, it's the same thing, nothing very different there. Okay, the same thing as what we had on our Apollo as what as sequence. Okay, so that is just it. Like I told you before, I said that what that the two things are what they're the same, but just a change in what terminologies and what and interface. Okay, all right. So that is just it, guys. So let me now see how to actually do what to make you understand this thing now. So whatever you have here now, okay, on our Apollo we have what something similar to it. You can see that here now we have just two or three sections. We have what engage and we have what find, and what manage, right? Now on Apollo we had what we had people and what blah blah blah. We had engage. We had what like that. Abi, so there were about four different sections in what in Apollo, but here we have what just two major ones: engage and what find and manage. Then we have what campaigns. Now we're going to skip all these ones here. Okay, I will talk about campaign later on, even my inbox, but I can talk about task now because we still have task on our what on our Apollo, right? So on linked on Lemlist now we still have what task in it. We have task now, right? So I can do what I can actually do what I can actually do what now give myself a task here. I can even create a task here for my what for myself in it. You can see here, you can create your task here and start doing your thing bunkiously, okay? Yes. So I can go to all tasks here and see, but you see there's no task here yet, Abi. We'll get to that one later on. Of course, you know what the calls are used for? You can say unlock the full potential of what your calls with what Lemlist VoIP. This VoIP here is what it's more like your what like your online calling app. So we get those days those days we used to have Skype. Those days Skype, we had Skype, we had what we had other things that we can use to what to get foreign number and then make call. That one is what they call VoIP. Okay, that's voice over internet what protocol. That's what this in here means. Voice over what internet protocol. Let me check whether I'm correct or I'm wrong. Let me put here. You see it here? You see, I say what? Voice over what? Internet protocol, Abi. So I was correct. Clap for me. Hi. And we have our campaign now, which I say that your campaign is more like your what, like your sequence that we have on our Apollo. Then our inbox, we have it on our Apollo as what? As mails, right? Then your task now. Then your calls, you can make your call with your what? With your VoIP. Let me even try to activate it and see whether it will work. Let me click on what? To activate our VoIP on the Lemlist. I'll click on what? Activate the what? The thing. Now it will say what? Connect your phone number, right? See it now. Do you have any phone number? I don't get phone number. Let me click on what? Connect. Now let us see. You see now? Now you need to you see now it say connect your phone number to what to start. Add your phone number to start dialing from Lemlist in seconds. I'll do what? Put my Nigerian phone number. Let me see if it will work. Nigeria. You see say not dey allowed, Abi? Oh, they don't tell us word. We no belong. Abeg, I know they do. As far as you know they allow my country, I know they do. Nonsense and kati. They should carry that thing and go away. They are smelling VoIP. Nonsense. So here now, do what now? I can come and do what now? You see my report here. My report actually shows us what how our email was performing, who clicked and what who opened. Say that say yesterday when I opened my this yesterday, we were able to see who opened our mail and what who actually replied our mail, Abi. This actually applies the same thing here now. Okay, so so we're not getting it for here yet until start doing our thing properly. Then we now have our campaigns now. So under this campaign now, we'll be seeing our different campaigns that we have actually created. Now we've seen them here. Okay. Then here is our template. Somebody today was talking. Somebody today was actually saying that that they cannot find the templates on their own Lemlist application. You see it now. Come here and do what now? Click on what templates, and you'll be finding them here. Okay, that is just it, right? So this is your template here now. Your template are what a kind of outlook for different kind of what mails that you are going to send to your leads when you must actually what gotten them on your list. Okay, then we have what find and what manage. This is where the magic is actually going to what be happening. As far as you're going to be finding people, as far as you're going to be finding people on your what on your list or to build a list, you need your what people and what database section of your what Lemlist now. So we are now here now in it, and they don't change. They are not doing like they're not doing like this thing, but it's still okay, no problem. They're not doing more like Apollo, but it's still cool. I like it. I like them more than Apollo, right? So now this is where we are. This is where we are now. Okay, so let us now see how to find people now using this section now. But before that, if anybody has any please now, how do we find leads on Apollo? Eh? This now is not what we read now. Keke see me. Eh? How can we do it? Are we going to find reed on top of mango tree? Are we going to go to palm tree and find reed? Are we under the bed now? How can we do it now? Let us see how to what? How to do it now. So this one is our what? Is our different filters on Lemlist now. Can you see them? This is just them here. We have what? We have the what? The current job title filter. We have a you see we get country filter. We have what? Nigeria, the region filter. We have what? Keyword in profile filter. We have department filter. We have what? Current position tenure filter. Seniority filter and what? Years of experience. And then we even have more. Can you see that there are so many filters here? Now look at where they now have our name filter. Our our usual favorite name filter. Look at it here. See it here now. uh Right? You can see that they have what? They give you more opportunity to what? To find more things with what? With different filters here. Even if you want to look, say, okay, let us find people using their skills here. You can see it here, right? Say people using their school name, you can see them here. For instance, I want to find people that in their school in there, uh maybe I'm saying University of of Ottawa. I can find them here. Say what? University of Unsoka. Or let me say Benin. I'll do what now? Just hit here and they will come up. See nothing don come up. You say it's loading now. The thing is loading. Look at them here. This is a Joy Odige, Edirin Esiet, Sarah Ekpung, Henry Oro, Hezekiah Afemike, Mercy Ederi, Chinasa Oji, Ewain Ogbeide, Jeremiah Efosa Afekpo, okay, Chibuzo Vitus, what? Eze. These are all people that schooled from what? Uniben. In it, they are from what? University of what? Uniben. Now, look at it now. When you are here now, okay, pay attention to this place now. Now, pay attention now. Okay, I want to teach you guys something now. Okay, as you are here now, okay, as a sharp man now, can you see that we have these people here? This is their name here. Are you seeing this logo here? I beg. Which kind of logo be this one here? Where they here? Moses, tell me which kind of logo be this one? Moses, tell me which kind of logo be this one? Is Moses there? Okay, it's like I took his ability to speak away from him. Moses, oh yeah, tell me now, what kind of logo is that one there? You can tell me now. Are you sure it's ring thing? I thought this I thought it's Eco Bank. Oh, eh. Are you sure it is LinkedIn? All right. So let me call somebody now to tell me what he thinks. Mr. Kingsley Onuma, what do you have here? Are you sure it is email? I thought it's container. So okay. Who else? Okay, Insolom Joy. What do you have here? Insolom Joy. That's how we call. Eh? My dear phone number and call is not the same thing, eh? You're welcome very well. Okay. So now you can see that we have what now? We have more than enough what details from what from this thing now. And they are all pulled from what? They are all pulled from LinkedIn. Is that not so? Now, can you see the people count here? Look at it here. Can you see that we have how many number here? Let me call somebody to tell me the number of people that we have here. Angela, can you tell me how many number of people that we have here? Asa Wugini. Leave her make she talk first. She dey see. You see where I say people this how many people do we have here that we find from this our filter now? How many people do we find here? Okay. Yes, you are correct. You are, you are correct. So that means that so that means it's not 10,000 naira, I beg you, it's 10,000 people. People woman with money. So now we are using what? The school name filter now. What about the next one now? Can we use state or city filter here? Let us find it here with what state or school filter. So if you are done with a filter, what do you do? Remove it from where? From here. How do you remove it now? Come to the filter that you have here. Over on it and do what now? Click on this times. Are you seeing this cancel here? Click it now. You can see that everything has gone away, Abby. Now let us find people using the word the state filter. So maybe somebody come and tell you that hello, I want to hire you on Upwork. Oh, please, can you help me and find people that are living in Katsina State? What do you do? You say yes, ma'am. You can do what? Come to your Lemlist and do what now? Come here and do what? Type Katsina. You see it now? Katsina State, Abby. Look at it here. You can even try to see it now. Put what? Click on it now and wait. Are you see now? It's now loading, Abby. Yes. So these are all people from where? From Katsina State. These people now, they are, they are either living in Katsina State, or they have lived in Katsina State, or they're currently what? In Katsina State. Or maybe they were born in Katsina State but now live in somebody, like in another part of the country. Okay. So yes, it's actually was very possible. Okay. Can you see that now? This is just these people here. So if I want to see their email, what will I do? If you want to see their email, rem list. Okay, you can see that some of them here, you can see their email address, their phone, their company where they are currently working. Now, this one working at what? It's working at a study group. Then this one working at what? Cisco networking. This one is working at what? At Amazon. This one work at what? Bayero, Bayero University. Can you see that now? So this is just how it is. You can even see where their job now. This one is saying their job is student. This one is saying they are what? LGA consultant. This one is what? NGO. Can you see the country here? Almost all in what? Nigeria. Now, this company size here is what? How many people are working in their company? You can see them this one actually work with what? With 10,000 to what? 1K to what? 5,000 people. Okay? Then even their company website is what? Is here. Now, can you see the company website here? You can see that now. So if you're looking for how to actually find job, you can do what now? You can do it like this. Go to the site and do what? And find them whether they have vacancy or not. So I'll click on it now and do what? Open it here. Let's see. Some know the work of Nigerian company there. Okay, this one are for TCN. See now, you can do what now? Come to the bottom here now and do what? Look at the careers. Let me show that they have careers here. Do we have careers? Nigerian company can never have career on their side because they hide the job. Because the job now what? You say the job as see business too, right? So that kind of thing. In it, let me say contact us. They don't have anything like career. So if you see why they say always focus on what? Abroad job, because Nigeria, they go frustrate you to even see the work self now. Wahara. Okay. So that is just it, guys. Let me go back now. So I hope you guys now understand that this naturally what is very, very sweet, right? Is it that bitter? No, no, it's very, very sweet. Okay. Now let me say do one more filter now. Let me say I wanted to find people that are working in a particular kind of department. Now click on this one now. See here now, click on this now and do what? Click on departments and I'll say okay. Let me see people that are working in what? In educational department. I'll click on this now and do what now? Wait. It will what? It will give me what I need to know. So if they say they are looking for people that are working in Katsina State or they're in Katsina State that work in the Department of Education, you do what now? Use that filter. You can see I will now have two filters. Now this one is one filter here and two filter here. Can you see that now? One filter for what? For the state. Second filter for what? Education. I can even say add more, right? I can say add more and say, okay, I want people that are in Katsina State in educational what department that have what? How many years of experience? I can say, okay, maybe let us say maybe 1 to 2 years of what experience. Let us put that now and see something now. Will it come up? Yes, it has to come up. You see now there are about what now? There are about 6 of them that have what 5 years of what? Sorry, 2 years of what experience in what in education department. Can you see them here? This one is working what for what educational what institution, which is what? Let me see. Institution is what? Company is what? Education institution. Yeah. This one is what? Working on what? Community staff school. Musawa. This one is what? Youth of what? Enterprises. This one is what? Federal Polytechnic of what? Daura. See it now? This is just how it is. Now, if I'm done with this job, I can do what now? I can say, okay, let me just remove all these filters here and do what now? And look for other what? Filters again. Maybe they say, okay, Michael, help us and find people that are working and living in the US. How will I do? Come down to my what? To my country what? To my country filter, which is what? Here. See it here, Abby? Look at it now. Click on it now. Do what? Click on this plus here. And here now you can do what now? Select your what? Enter the country name. Let me say Papua New Guinea. Papua New what? New Guinea, right? Click on it now and just wait. You'll be fine. Right? See it now? It is now here now. In it. So these people here about 7, you see now they're about how many now? 174,000 people, Abby. They all came from where? Papua New Guinea. You can even see their country where they are living or where they are working. You can see it all here. Can you see that? Their phone number will be exposed here when you click on the phone number tab for that person. Like this one, I can just click. Let me just click on this now. Let us see. You see, They will show you when you start doing your what your lead. I mean your campaign. They will show you there your campaign now. Okay. Then this is where they are working now. This person work at what at Area Resources Incorporated. Then he work as a was HSC what officer, right? So this is how it was. Now I can even see add what I can see add more filter here. Okay, so this is about what 130, I mean 44,000 people now. Maybe I want to find people that are what that in particular department now. So okay, department filter will now come in now. And I will click on what? Click on department of what? Let us call it what? Let us say engineering. Okay, and then you wait. It will come, right? This is it now. We have about 10,000 people that are working in what? Engineering in it. This is just it, guys. It's not difficult. I can even say add more filter and do what? I can go say, let me go and say, okay, number of connections now. Let me say, I don't want people that are still coming up with LinkedIn. I want them to have what good number of connections. I'll click on here and I'll use what? I can say, okay, people that have at least 50 people in their what? Their connection. I'll click here and do what? And I'll wait to come up. You see it now? 2,300 of them have what? At least 50 people in their what? In their connection on LinkedIn. This is just how it is, guys. So this is just how to pull out leads from Lemlist. And I hope it's not that confusing for you guys. It's actually very, very sweet and what and swift. Like, very, very punky or something that is very, very sweet. So we are looking for people that are bearing peace now. So this one is what is one filter now that what for people that are bearing peace. Here, can you see the name here? It's peace. You can see it here now. Now they say we should find peace. Anybody that is bearing peace and live in Ghana, right? So I can come to the what now? I cannot come to the what to the country filter now. Where this one is still on here, I can go to the country filter and put what? Put Ghana. You see it here? Click on here and put what? Put Ghana here now. Let us see. You see Ghana here now? Click on Ghana now. Let us see whether that thing will come up. You see now Ghana will come up now. Give me what? Some fewer number will not come up. You see now there are about 511 people bearing peace in the entire Ghana. Oh Jesus! So that means that can you see it now? Then I can still add and say, okay, now you have found people that are bearing peace in Ghana, but let them be having a kind of, let them be teachers or maybe working in an educational department. I will do was click on this department here and select teacher or education and do what? Click outside. Let me say people that are bearing peace in Ghana that are maybe in education departments. Click it and click outside here. You can see that it will not filter again and give us what? 23 or 35 people here will now come out as what? People that are bearing peace in Ghana. Can you see this now? Was it hard? Was it hard? Say yes or no. Yeah, welcome, very well. You can see that we have one filter here, then two filters here for what? For country and what? And name. So we now have about three filters here. And this is called what? Boolean what? Boolean search, where you combine what? One or two what? Two or more attributes to find what? Possible outputs. Okay? That one is for mathematics and I think that one is for mathematics and the engineers in the house.